Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. So in today's video I will talk about this topic that had been on my mind for a very long time, but I didn't know how to begin and how to start talking about it. So here I am in McLeodganj. Let me show you, and this is my view right now, and I feel like right now could be the moment of the definition of spirituality for me come to me. And let's begin. So now, first of all, spirituality and religion are very different things. Like, spirituality has nothing to do with religion. It is absolutely separate arena, and like the question of religion doesn't come under the when we talk about spirituality. Now, what is spirituality? Spirituality is something that is about your internal. It is coming from within. The knowledge that you will get from spirituality is not, of course, the books, the gurus, all of these people will guide you and it will come from external in that sense. But those guidances would still be from to look within. So the answer, once again. Oi, say subject is lost. Now don't zoom in. So yeah, even then the gurus and the books, the spiritual books are only going to teach you about how you have to look within to find answers. So for me, spirituality is something like this, the journey to go internal and figure things out internally instead of I don't want to be judgmental towards any religion or anything of that sort, but then mostly it's always outside, right? You seek answers from outside, but spirituality is the other hand, and you seek answers from inside. Now what it is to me in a more elaborated sense is that, for example, I think that we are not just I am not just Shivani. I am a soul who is in this body right now, but it's not this body right now. It's not just this body. So realizing that I am something more than this makes me relaxed, because then there's no question of dying. This body is gonna go away, but then the soul is always gonna live. So that brings me satisfaction to make this worthwhile, make this worth it, because it's gonna go. And apart from that, I think just how, for example, even Sadhguru puts light on the union, the ultimate union, where you don't separate individuals as their identities, their personalities, their beings, like a dog, a human, this and that. You just, the moment when you see everything with equal eyes, realizing that there is soul within every body, that makes you more appreciative and just kind, I think, because the ant deserves to live as much as I do, or any other creature deserves it as much. Plus, if we are all souls, then we are all actually one, because right now I have a human body and this something else has a dog body. We are separate. But if we are all souls, then who is a dog and who is a human? It doesn't matter. So yeah, I think these are the points that I want to start with. Is there something else that I want to talk about? And yeah, after this, after the thirst for getting to know this internal, getting to know this soul, getting close to the union or the yoga, meditation really helps. Meditation takes you closer to oneness, because now you are not distracted from 100 different things about just worldly things. When you are meditative, you are internal, and that internal state takes you closer to spirituality. And that is all that I am going to talk about right now. Maybe I will add some information to this video in the future before uploading. Then I would have to cut this part. But that is it for today. Thanks a lot for watching. Namaskaram.